What is that noise?
It's so loud and scary.
I am too scared to go downstairs. What if there is a monster waiting for us there? Do you hear that?
It doesn't sound like a monster. It sounds more like a wailing ghost who is looking for revenge.
Ghosts are not real. I think it's What are you doing, guys? Why are you all standing like scared chickens? We are scared of the monster. What monster?
If you love me, skip this video.
If you love Jesus, leave a like and comment.
The one who is making the noise.
Are you serious? It's not a monster. It's Karen singing in the shower.